Toperdan. Good afternoon. Garden update tayo. Ito na yung tikvitse. Ang tagal niyang tumubo. Ito na yung ating paradise. Ating tomato. Cherry tomato. Yun yung malalaki. Hindi siya kasi nagkamali ako. Pinutlo kong mga ito. Which is supposed to be not. Kangkong and alugbati. Alugbati there. Hindi ko alam kung mag-survive siya. But kailangan ko yata yan itin. Ito yung ating mga pumpkins. Sorry, I cannot bend much. Pero meron na siyang doon. Ayun. Madami pa yung mga ano niya sa ilalim. May bunga na. Andun yung watermelon to. Pinya, yung tinanim ko 2 piraso. And may papaya doon. And today is 27th of June. And our son is 29 days. 28 days. 29th. Yeah. And yung ating bok choy. So pwede na ito yung harvestin. Aming bok choy. Ang sweet corn is lumalaban para sa ekonomiya. Masyado bang malapit? Yeah. Ating sweet corn lumalaban. Yung ating munggo. Ito ay munggo. Ito ito yung cabbage. Ito yung broccoli. And lettuce. Na-harvestan na namin to. Pero medyo hindi pa siya okay kasi medyo bitter pa siya. Actually, kailangan to i-thin. Kailangan niyang i-thin. Bawasan para mag-sprout out. Ang spring onion namin lumalaban para sa ekonomiya. Hindi ko pumunta na doon kasi ito ay pumpkin. Filipino pumpkin yata to. Pinoy pumpkin. Nandun yung ating another thing tawag doon. Punta nga ako doon. Sabi ko ayaw ko pumunta pero ang daming damo. Tawag dyan. Pakwan. Kailangan siya actually i-weed damuhan. Tapos mayroon na siyang bunga. Pero di ko alam kung mag-survive din siya kasi late na namin siya naitanim. Yun yung bunga niya. Nakikita niyo ba? Ilapit natin yung bunga niya. Ayun. Hopefully mag-succeed siya. Sobrang konti ng tinanim namin. Oops. And yung tikvitse. Parang hindi lumalaki yung tikvitse. Yung kanyang bunga. Yung aming tikvitse din to eh. Tikvitse ba to? Pumpkin. Aming potato. Batat. Kinain ng snails. Yung bitter gourd ko. Kinain niya ng snails. Ito yung sitaw. Yung iba nagbabine up na. Nakita niyo ba? Yun. Umakyat na siya sa ano. Ayun. Kailangan kong tumawid. Ang daming damo nga lang. Kailangan siyang damuhan. Tinanggalan. Nag-weeding na sila ni Mr. nung nakaraan eh. Kasama yung kanyang cousin. Pero hindi pa rin talaga siya nag-ano. Oh my gosh! Love! Come here! Ang aking magiting na asawa na tagatanggal ng damo. Come here.
It's muddy there.
Love, there's up there. Come on.
But what? Where is it?
Come on. Take, yeah. Under.
Oh, that's a cucumber.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh,
I
wow.
think it can stand already. Look up here. It can be already, love. Remove this one now. See? Oh, there's another one there.
Fresh cucumber, where?
Under a little bit, I think.
Oh, wow.
See
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, that one is okay. No, not that one. It's still young.
So this area really suits them together with zucchini. Okay.
See? Fresh cucumber from the garden.
Is there any more?
I don't know.
See. Oh, there is one. Oh no, that's the branch.
Small.
No, that's the branch. Oh, okay. Oh.
Is it big? Can I see? Yeah. Is Latko's one is already
No, I don't think he has.
No, love, remember we
Yeah,
give
they-
them also this one?
Yeah, but no. His cucumbers are still growing. He doesn't have fruit still.
Love, this one is the same thing like we bought. We give them from Darko also.
One more here.
Is it big enough? Harvesting. It's a surprise harvest. We give them two.
Who?
To them.
And then
Don't. This one also is still growing.
Oh, so these are cucumbers.
Yeah. It's
I
good.
thought it was zucchini.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh, look. Two of them still growing.
Yep.
Okay.
Look at that piece.
Hopefully they will come.
Hopefully.
Because we did plant them a little. And spring onion.
I know spring onion
We
is
need to
really
weed out
growing
this
so
now.
good. I know. We really did, but actually like